Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Well, today is a day I've been waiting for. I'm so excited to show you this wig. This is the Eileen wig from the Push hairline at WigStudio1. This color is Brulee Doree. This wig, of course, was provided to me by WigStudio1 to review for you. Now, if you're not familiar with Push hair, this is WigStudio1's house brand of hair, and we're relaunching it and new colors, new styles. Oh my goodness, it's so exciting. Be sure to go to not only the wigstudio1.com website, but also go to the WigStudio1 YouTube channel, and there will be reviews of all the new pieces there. So be sure to like and subscribe to that channel. And if you need to get in touch with WigStudio1, it's really easy to do. Just contact them via email at support@wigstudio1.com, or you can live chat with them during normal business hours on the wigstudio1.com website. Okay, I just want to show you this packaging for Push hair. I love beautiful packaging, and all of the new Push hair pieces will come in that beautiful box. Okay guys, you know, I've been with WigStudio1 for a lot of years now, and I have the original Eileen wig. I have a video on that. I took it to my hairdresser and had it modified, so when they came out with the updated version of the Eileen wig, I was so excited to get to show you this. And of course, I'm so honored to have it named after me. It is a beautiful wig. I can't wait to show it to you. Look how sleek and gorgeous this is. Now, I have not cut the lace. This has a fully customizable lace front, extended lace front, and I have not cut it because I wanted to show it to you right how it comes out of the box, so you'll see exactly what to expect. But look at this sleek, straight, beautiful design, shoulder length, easy to wear. It's just enough length. I feel like it's versatile. You can do a lot of styling with this, and I will show you some styling towards the end of the video. But look at this color. It is a beautiful, beautiful color. We're going to get into that, and I will show it to you in some different lighting. All right, first of all, let's just talk about this hair. This is 100% Remy European human hair. It is like feathers. Look at this hair. I'm going to show you the cap and all the details in a minute, but I just really want you to get a feel of how this hair looks, how it moves. It has a silk top, so you're not going to see any knotting, and you of course can part it anywhere in this silk top. It's really large. I'm going to show it to you. Like I said, it has this customizable extended lace front. I think the top is gorgeous, how it's just going to look like it is growing right out of your head. It has a 100% fully hand-tied cap. It is gorgeous. Let's just take a look at this cap, and I'll be able to show it to you a little closer. Again, I just want you to really have a look. This lace is so soft on this. And then again, silk top. Look how large this is. You can part it anywhere within here, and it truly looks like this is just growing right out of your scalp. Okay, it has these clips. Now, you don't have to use these. There's a tiny thread. If you don't want to use those clips, you can just cut that little thread and take them off. Look at this hand-tied cap. How beautiful this is. Of course, the elastic is covered. It has hook adjusters. This cap is so soft. If you have no hair, this will not irritate your scalp. It is very, very soft and comfortable. Just making sure you get a look at this silk top. So nice, extended felt nape. And again, just look at that lace front. It's perfect. This is a true quality wig. Now, from its hand-tied cap to this lace front, to the silk top, to the European human hair. It is just quality. I want you to know that. Again, look at this, how beautiful this moves. Now, of course, you can add curl to this, and stay tuned. I'm going to be doing some more videos where I'm going to show you how I add curl to mine, so you can do all of that, and this will last you for years. You take care of this hair, it will last you for years. This wig is 14 inches all the way around. So the front, side, and the back, and then it has a 7.5 inch nape, and it weighs 5.2 ounces. I love the movement of this hair. Now, I would say this is a light to medium density. You can easily tuck this behind your ear, which is important to me. Let me show you the coverage. I don't know if I showed you that. It's got very good coverage. There's my bio hair there. You really can't even see it here, so it has really good coverage. This fits me quite well. I could take this in probably 1 or 2 adjusters as well and get a really tighter fit, but it fits fine just like it is, but I could adjust it if I wanted to have a little tighter fit. Now, like I said, you can add waves to this, curls to this, but just be sure, keep your styling tools no hotter than 350 degrees. So just keep that in mind. Now let's talk about how to care for this wig. You want to use human hair products that are made for alternative hair. Now, WigStudio1 has these types of products on their website. You can go over there and have a look at them, or reach out to one of the personal hair consultants at support@wigstudio1.com. They will be happy to go over with you how to care for your human hair wigs if you have any question about that. Like I said, I feel like this is light to medium density. It is a lighter density than the original Eileen wig. I had that one thinned. This one, I'm not going to have anything done to it. I think it's perfect right out of the box. Really easy to wear, lightweight. I have a 21.25 inch head circumference, and I know, like I said, I can wear this fine, but I could easily take it in to get a little snugger fit. I think this would work probably up to a 22 inch, maybe a little more, but somewhere around a 22 inch. Now, the Eileen wig is going to be available in 12 colors. So let's dive into this one, Brulee Doree. It combines a natural ash blonde, highlights of golden blonde, and it's all on this light brown root. Now look at this root. It is perfect. I'm also going to be doing a video that compares the original Eileen wig to this one, and it is in the color Brulee, but this one is Brulee Doree, so you'll be able to see the difference in the colors. Really dimensional. Look at this. Lots of different beautiful blonde shades. It's not flat, it has a lot of dimension, and it has cool and warm tones in it, which I think works for so many people. Thank you so much for joining me today and having a look at the new updated version of the Eileen wig from the Push Hairline at WigStudio1. Again, just reach out to them if you have any questions at support@wigstudio1.com. I hope you will give this wig a try. Leave me lots of comments. Tell me if you've ever tried the Eileen wig, if you like it. And be sure, like I said, to check the wigstudio1.com website and their YouTube channel to see all the reviews that are coming out from Push Hair. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time.